Welcome to the FirmWorks Files How-To series. Today we're going to talk about how to use the FirmWorks Files components inside of a Salesforce flow. To start this process, you're going to need to navigate to Salesforce Setup and click in the Process Automation section on the Flows tab section. Once you're here, you'll click New Flow. And the components we're going to show today are going to be screen flow elements, so you're going to need to start a screen flow. Once you're in a screen flow, you want to add a screen where they will be uploading certain documents and things of that nature. Then you'll scroll down to this custom section here, and you have 4 components available. File report results is a list of file report results from a specified report. You'll have to get this report using a get function in the flow. Once you have it, you can put the report ID in here. You can do some of the same things as well as the page layout version. You can set an API name, max height, title. You can have it auto run on load, and you can pass data into here if you want to pre-filter it. You can also add the report runner for records. This is going to run for a specific record at a time, meaning you can pass in a record ID that you'd like to run the report for. You can change the background appearance and title. You can hide the component if you want to. You can have a report name as well. And that'll be where you'd select the report in a get function and then pass it in here. You can say what kind of validation you want it to have to prevent people from moving forward in the flow. You can also display the result documents and have different action messaging depending on what happens with the report result. This is a good way to let people know if they have or haven't uploaded a file previously as part of a flow. Third, you can have a file tag and upload component. This is going to function as the button that will let people upload files. You can set the API name, you can change the upload button's name, you can change it from large uploads to batch uploads in default. You can set a related record, which will set the relationship that the files have upon upload. You can allow batch uploads and multiple document uploads. You can allow different file types, or you can just set a configuration to do all this. In addition to that, you can set output variables, which will basically pass the uploaded files features in, or not features, but data into these different variables so you can use them later in the flow. Finally, we have the file viewer component. The file viewer component itself will be able to set appearance, API name, and the search panel options, the title, and the record ID for a configuration if you want to have a specific configuration. Again, this will need to be something you get earlier in the flow to set here, and the configuration name is the same, or you can just set fields manually and filter objects manually. Down here, you can show and hide different functions for uploading new files, or show the delete functions on files. And at the very bottom, you'll be able to pass in and manipulate record IDs. Once you have these in the flow, you'll be able to leverage these as normal, and you can use the flow from here to interact with the people's documents however you want. Thank you.